So guys, now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So guys, before we go ahead to predict what market will be giving us for the day, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like and share. Make sure you make your comments and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel. So you will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So once again, subscribe in order for you to miss out on the next update. Now, when you take a look at this Swiss franc JPY, you can clearly see that our overall trend on Swiss franc JPY is an uptrend. This is the main trend. The main movement, the main trend on our Swiss franc JPY is an uptrend move, right? That is the main trend, our main movement. When you also zoom into here, so you see the current movement, which is the current trend, and we are also in an uptrend move. Now, pay attention to this movement right here, guys. This is your high. Here comes your higher low, right? This is your pullback, which is the higher low. The market then did give us another push up, which is a new higher high, right? Now, after the new higher high, market eventually was able to give us a pullback, which is an higher low. So basically, market did give us a pullback, which is an higher low. Then this is a new higher high, and now here comes the higher low. Now, pay attention to this movement right here. If you have to zoom into, this is a major rejection zone right here. This is market rejected from year one, it's rejected for year 2 times, it's rejected from year 3 times, and it's also rejected from year. This is the fourth time right here. So this is the fourth time. Now market is rejected from here. You'll be expecting market to actually push up to be able to hit this resistance level. So this is to tell you that a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our Swiss franc JPY. Now the thing is that could there be changes to this prediction that we just did? Absolutely yes, there could be changes. But if there will be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates. And above all, a bullish move for the day is what you should be expecting, right, on our Swiss franc JPY.